Hello, my name is Leigh. I am from Australia and I'm currently driving around the world in my camping car. My wife and I have driven through 36 countries from France to Taiwan. On a journey like ours, it's very important to have a quality, reliable toolkit. Although carrying a large, comprehensive toolkit on board our rig is very important, having a small, compact kit can also be very handy. Today, we're going to talk about the King Tony Mini Bit Ratchet set. I've only recently been introduced to the Mini Bit Ratchet set, but so far I can say I am genuinely impressed. Firstly, of course, with the compact size of this Mini Bit Ratchet set. As you can see, this Mini Bit Ratchet set fits literally in the palm of my hand. It fits in the palm of my hand, which means it can also fit in my pocket. Another cool feature upon opening this box that stood out to me straight away is this very clever design right here. All of the different pieces that come in this ratchet kit are set up on a spring-mounted little loading station here, as you can see, that springs up. If you've got fat fingers like me, you'll know that it's sometimes quite difficult to open these toolkits up and get access to all the bits and pieces. The Mini Bit Ratchet set comes with multiple T-nuts, Phillips head screwdriver pieces, and hex head Allen key pieces. For basic DIY projects, working in close confinement, even working on a vehicle engine where a longer, bigger ratchet set or toolkit may just get in the way. As you can see, the ratchet handle on this is absolutely tiny, but super good quality. Another very cool feature, which I think must be an essential part of any ratchet kit, is a locking mechanism. Each piece is locked into the tool like so. Impossible for that piece to drop out whilst you're completing a job. The pieces are then easily removed with a push button release at the back. A small extension is included in the box. On the extension itself, we have a magnetic attachment with a locking mechanism. Magnet attaches like so, release the lock, insert the bit, lock into place, solid unit. Release the bit from the extension, pull the lever out, magnet released. Super easy, super simple to use. Wrapping up this brief review, I can definitely say that a small toolkit like this would come in very handy in most people's kit. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.